So hi, in this video I am going to discuss a problem of Codeforces round 922, and it is a B problem of the contest, which is minimize inversions, right? So what is given in the problem is we have given two permutations A and B of length n. We know that permutations are a vector array of length 1, 2 and something. Yeah. So we have given a total of two permutations, right? And it is explained that what is permutation, so I'm skipping it. Now you can make as many time as you want, choose two indexes, yani ki we can do any number of operation as many times as we want. What we have to do is just we have to swap ai with aj and bi with vj simultaneously. Means if I'm swapping in a array ai with aj, then I have to swap in b as well. And then what I want to do is I want to minimize the total number of inversions, right? So let's take this example, which is what? 3 1 4 2 5. Let me take this thesis now. Leave it. So look, first of all, test cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a permutation, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First of all, let me explain what is inversion. Inversion is basically if I is less than j, means I index is less than j, but let's say a of I, it would be b of I. Okay. A of I is greater than a of j. This is called basically inversion. Now in the B array, how many inversions you can see? So look, 5 is greater than 4. Yes. 5 is greater than 3. Yes. 5 is greater than 2. Yes. 5 is greater than 1. Yes. Means because of 5, 4 inversions, right? Now 4 is greater than 3. Yes. 4 is greater than 2. Yes. 4 is greater than 1. Yes. And obvious, and it's obvious that index of 4 is less than index of numbers ahead of it. Means it here the inversion because of 4 would be 3. Now because of 3 it would be 2, because of 2 it would be 1, yani a total of 10 inversions in this array. So this is what I concluded, and I've explained that what is inversion. Now let's take this test case, which is 312 and 312, right? So what can be at the end, what we need to find in the problem? uh Sorry, minimum possible among all pay permission that can be obtained use operations from the statement. Basically we need to minimize the inversions. So let me take an example 312 312, and what would be my approach to do that? I will explain, right? So look, A was 312, B was 312 as well. Let's consider A. Now initially, how many inversions in A plus B? Let me find it out. Okay. So first of all, it is 3. 3 is greater than 1. Yes. 3 is greater than 2. Yes. So 2 plus 1 is greater than 2. No. Okay. So it 2 inversions in A, similarly 2 inversions in B, means currently there are a total of 4 inversions. Now we need to optimize it and we need to minimize the number of inversions basically. What can be the optimal approach? The thing that is striked in my mind is what we can do is I will first of all sort A. Means I will remove all the possible inversions from A, because what I am doing is if I am removing from A, then there are two possibilities. Either the new inversions will be created in B. If it is created, then there is no net loss. Here I am removing and there it would be added, means it will be 0, right? So I am not, there's nothing to lose. But let's say if I am doing some sorting the array A and I am not getting the same inversion, matlab not generating a new inversions in B, then in that case, what would be happen? It I am getting the less inversions from the initial. So this would be my approach. What I will do, I will short first of all A. Now inversions here are 0. Okay. Now according to their positions, what I will do, I need to rearrange this only. How can I do that? I have shorted that A, right? So I will mark. First of all, I am bringing 1 here. Initially 1 was on 2th index, or you can, I am using 1 base indexing. You can use any one of if you want 0 base. Okay, so look. Now 2, now I am bringing 2 at 2 at index, right? But initially it was at 3rd index. So third, I am bringing 3 at 3rd index, but initially it was at 1st index, right? So it will be first, sorry, yeah, so it will be first. So basically I have written the indexes. Now I need to rearrange these elements according to these indexes. Basically, how I will do that? First of all, it was 2 3 1, which is I am getting from here, right? Now the element on the second index should come on the first. According to this, the element on the second index should come on the first. So second pay there is 1, so I will bring 1 here. Now according to this, the index on the second index should come at third, right? Sorry, the index, the element at the third index should come at second. So basically 2, so I will bring 2 at second. Now according to this, the index, the element at the first index should come at the third, means 3. So what I will do, I will bring 3 at the third index. Now here what I am getting is both the arrays are shorted, but it is not necessary that in all the cases we are going to get. It is just leave it. Ah, so now total inversions A plus V in this case would be 0, because we are getting both the sorted thing basically. So basically the approach is pretty simple. What I will do, I will sort the first array. Here I am sorting it, and I will note the index where I am taking the which element. Basically I am taking a note of this. Now according, I have taken the note, right? Now according to this, I will rearrange the element in B. Basically this is basically what my approach would be. What I will do, let me add it. uh Let me move it. So let's code this problem as well. uh Hash include bit slash standard C++ dot h using namespace std int main int t send t while t minus minus, and yeah, let me, I don't know whatever extension I have installed, but it is creating. Where is the cursor? What happened to it? Yeah, so look, what now what should I use? Should I use vector? Yeah, I will use vectors, since I need to store the index as well. So let me take PO. Okay, and for B, I don't need to store the index basically, so I'm simply taking a vector. Now I will take input ni plus plus and oh shit. Without question, let's go back elements. Now wait. I forgot to. Okay, all right. Now I will insert the element in a APO, basically a vector of pairs, whatever you say, it's your choice. Now for initially I'm storing index मतलब on the first pair, make underscore tab first half, and for another half I am going to store its index. I will prefer one base indexing, so I am noting it till that, right? Now I got the A. What I will do, I will sort A. Now I got the indexes that where the positions have been changed, right? Let me explain using only this case. Let's remove everything. Okay. Now if I print a vector, so look, basically it was 312 and I have sorted it, but there is a problem. And what is the problem? That I'm storing I, like, right, but it is sorting it as well. But why? It shouldn't be shown this behavior. I think I'm doing something wrong. What it can be, let me remove first of all this. There's any problem in this? Acha, okay. It should be 3 here. Now it should work perfectly fine. Ah, so now here I got the indexes basically. Now what I will do, I will input a vector b, b dot first underscore back elements. I got the vector b as well. Now what I need to do, I need to rearrange the vector b, but according to this index. What I will do, well, it will be a pretty simple process. What I will do, I less than n, I plus plus, I will just replace the value of index. I will pass here v of I dot second, I think. Yeah, what is this error? It should be b and it should be e. There is something wrong, right? So look, now it's getting correct output. What was happened was, why I'm doing -1 here, because initially I was taking one base indexing. So basically the last element will overflow because of one base indexing and eventually it will store according to zero base indexing. So yeah, I need to take -1 here, that's it. Nothing more in it. Now here I can remove the second element. There isn't need of anything like this. Okay, I will print space and I will print this. That's it. Let me run and see what I'm going to get. So yeah, I'm getting the desired output. What I will get now. So yeah, I'm getting this output. It won't get passed because we know that there can be multiple answers for each of the test cases. So let me take example of this. Eventually, look, we are getting the output this for the test case third, right? Let me find how many inversions we are getting in this test case. So what we are getting here, 612453, right? 612453. 612453. Number of inversions here would be 6 is less than 1, no. 6 is less than 2, no. Eventually 6 is not less than win anyone, right? So here it would be 5 plus 1 is less than 2, yes. Less than 4, yes. Less than 5, yes. Less than 3, yes. So inversions basically 0. Now 2. 2 is less than 4, yes. 5 less than 5, yes. Less than 3, yes. So eventually it would be 0. Okay. Sorry, 0. Now 4. 4 is less than 5, yes. 4 is less than 3, no. So here I need to add 1. Now 5. 5 is less than 3, yes. So yeah. So eventually the total sum comes out to be 7, right? Means we can reduce as much till 7. We cannot reduce it less than 7 basically. Now as you can see in the explanation, yeah, here what we will getting here, it is 234651, right? Let me write it here. 2 3 4 651 651. Let me calculate first of all inversions for A, then I will calculate for B, right? Now it 2. 2 is less than 3, no. 4, no. 2 will be less than equal to 1 only. So I will adding 1 here. Now 3. 3 is less than 4, no. 3 is less than 6, yes. 3 is less than 5, yes. 3 less than 1, no. 4 is less than 6, no. 4 is less than 7, sorry, yes. 4 is less than 5, yes. 4 is less than 1, no. So eventually it will be 1, right? Now 6 is less than 5, no. So I will add 1 plus 1, 2, because it wouldn't be less than 1 as well. Now 5 is less than 1, no. So how many sum it comes out to be? It comes out to be approximately 6, right? So inversion for A is 6. Now I will calculate inversion for B, and then I will sum up these. Now here I can say directly 2 is less than 1 only, right? Then I am getting inversion 1 only, right? 2 is less than 3, no. 3 is less than 4, sorry, 2 is less than 4, yes. 2 is less than 6, yes. 2 is less than 5, yes. 2 is less than 1, no. So I will get here like 1. And 3 is less than 1. Eventually we can see here that we are going to get a minimum possible number of inversions is 7. So this is how we can prove it basically. So